Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for any grooming routine, the Braun Series 9 Pro 9419's electric shaver for men. Whether you're after a quick touch-up or a close shave, this high-tech device promises to give you the performance you need. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Braun Series 9 Pro 9419's is a state-of-the-art electric shaver designed to deliver both a smooth and efficient shave. The standout feature here is the ProLift trimmer, which is engineered to lift and cut even the most stubborn hairs, whether they're freshly grown or a few days old. On top of that, the shaver boasts Braun's unique sonic technology, which promises to shave up to 10% faster compared to previous models. What sets this shaver apart is its wet and dry functionality, making it ideal for use in the shower or with shaving foam and gel. It's fully waterproof, so you can take it with you into the bathroom without worrying about water damage. Plus, its new precision switch allows for better control when shaving tricky areas, giving you a closer, more accurate shave every time. Let's talk about real-world usage. In my testing, the Braun Series 9 Pro felt comfortable and effective whether I was using it dry or with shaving foam. The ProLift trimmer really does help grab those tough hairs around the neck and jawline, making shaving feel smoother. The handle is ergonomically designed, and the head pivots easily to follow the contours of your face, making it easy to maneuver, even in tricky spots. It's not overly bulky either, so it fits comfortably in your hand. Now onto the pros and cons. First, the pros. The ProLift trimmer really does lift and cut tough hairs more efficiently. The battery life is impressive. After a full charge, it's ready to tackle multiple shaves without needing a recharge. It's fully waterproof, adding to its versatility. Use it in the shower, with gel, or dry. The precision head makes it easy to capture stubborn hairs, providing a really close shave. However, there are a few cons to consider. The price might be a bit steep, especially if you're not looking for a high-end shaver. While it's great at capturing hair, it might require a bit of extra time around very thick or coarse beards to get an ultra-close shave. It's a bit bulky compared to other models in this range, which might make it less ideal for traveling. When it comes to value for money, the Braun Series 9 Pro offers a solid performance, but it does come at a premium. For those who shave regularly or have thicker facial hair, the price may be justified due to its powerful features and long-lasting performance. However, if you're just looking for something basic, there are alternatives that may suit your needs at a lower price point. Speaking of alternatives, there are a few shavers in the same category, such as the Philips Norelco 9000 or the Panasonic Arc 5. Both offer similar features like multi-directional shaving heads and wet-dry capabilities, but the Braun Series 9 Pro stands out with its superior trimmer and the ability to capture tricky hairs with ease. In terms of build quality, the Braun Series 9 Pro is well constructed. The materials feel durable, and the waterproofing ensures you won't have to worry about the longevity of the shaver. As for longevity, Braun offers a solid 2-year warranty, and based on my experience, the device should last for years with proper care. I haven't needed to reach out to customer service, but Braun has a reputation for being responsive, and their products generally have a good track record for reliability. So, does the Braun Series 9 Pro 9419's live up to its claims? For the most part, yes. It offers an efficient, comfortable shave with excellent features like the ProLift trimmer and waterproof capabilities. If you're after precision and a close shave every time, it's worth considering, especially for those with thicker facial hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.